Alright, what's up YouTube? Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm doing some oxtail. Alright, but before I start any seasoning process for my oxtail, I'm gonna go ahead and remove some of these fat from the oxtail. Because we're practicing healthy lifestyle, we have to ensure that we cook healthy. Alright, so go ahead and remove some of these fat from the oxtail. So you're going to trim them down nicely, like this, and remove some of these fatty. Just imagine all of these fats going into your belly. So we want to ensure that we remove all of these fats before we go ahead and season. So we normally wash our oxtail with probably some lime juice or some white vinegar, just to get rid of some of the raw content from it. Alright? So we're going ahead and clean up our oxtail before we do any seasoning. You know, for a good meal, you have to ensure that the preparation for the meal before seasoning is right. Because you're not going to season the meat and then you don't wash it, you don't clean or anything. It's full of fat and all this. So remove all of this fatty content from the meat. Alright, and then we go ahead and wash it.
Hey, don't do it.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, so today we're using white vinegar to wash our oxtail. So we're going to go in with our white vinegar before we start the pipe, or before we turn on the pipe, and kind of give the oxtail a nice little rub first with the vinegar. So the vinegar helps to take away some of the raw scent and get that meat ready to go ahead and wash our meat properly. Get rid of some of that bloody from the meat too, as you can see it. The blood water from the meat. Alright. Here you have it, our meat is ready to season. Alright, so we're going to our seasoning process now. Here you can see some of our fresh herbs. I have about 2 chopped garlic there. I'm using half a medium sized white onion. Also using half of a scotch bonnet. And here is my pimento seed. I have about 5 that I crush up that I'm going to use. Also our dry Caesar. So the curry is the star in the middle. I'm doing a curry oxtail today. Not a regular Jamaican style, but actually it's an authentic style of curry. So I'm using the curry in the middle. Here I have the all-purpose over here. I'm using a spoon each of this. I also have some salt, half teaspoon of salt. I have some taco spice here. I have half teaspoon of black pepper. I also have some ginger powder here, half teaspoon. Alright, so we're gonna mix up all of this together nicely. Yeah, because we want to ensure that all of these seasons incorporate with this lovely oxtail. Alright, so we mix them up nicely. Alright, so then we're gonna pour it on our oxtail nicely here. And also we're gonna pour our rest of seasoning, our brown seasoning, on our oxtail. Alright, good. Now kindly massage our oxtail nicely. Alright, doing a curry oxtail today, boy. So I want to ensure that our oxtail well seasoned. So the oxtail normally takes 2 hours and probably 40 minutes to cook, to really cook the real way. I'm going to put it down for about 2 to 3 hours just to get the real marination process take place in my oxtail. Because I want, when I bite my oxtail, I taste all of those seasoning. Right? You can smell the seasoning already. Look, smell the seasoning, smell real good. So look on our oxtail, doing the curry oxtail today. Alright, so I'm going to leave this to marinate. Alright, so as you can see, our oxtail marinated and ready. Alright, so over here I have about 2 teaspoons of olive oil in the pot here. I'm going to add another probably 1/4 teaspoon of curry. Alright, so we're going to kind of mix around our curry here. Just to kind of get your curry with that brownish color that you're looking for. Alright, so you always say burn your curry just to avoid certain issues with curry. So you know curry, if you don't cook it properly, you're going to hurt your belly. Give a lot of belly, tummy ache and all those things. So we're kind of burning our curry now, just to get that brownish look. Alright, so you can see our curry getting a little bit more darker. Alright, good. So now we're going to put in our oxtail to get that little smear over it. Alright, so we're going with our oxtail. We're going to smear it a little bit. Alright, so as you can see, we kind of smear our oxtail. The reason why we smear it to ensure that that curry is fully incorporated with the oxtail. Because you know a lot of persons try to add curry to their meat when the meat is actually in the process of cooking. You're only adding curry one time to the pot, and that's the reason why we kind of smear it, that it's all that curry on it. Alright, so we're going to basically go in and gradually add our water to it, using about 1/4 cup. Alright, we're not going to go in with a full amount of water, and allow the curry to catch itself, and then we can gradually add more water to it. Alright, 10 minutes, this is our oxtail look. You can see it finally catch the colors, finally catch itself. Alright, so you're going to go in with another cup of water, warm water, or it could be boiling water, any of the above. Alright, so you're going to allow that to slow cook for about 2 hours and 30 minutes. You can gradually add water to it and allow it to cook, slow cook on medium heat, or between medium heat and low heat. Alright, so after 2 hours and 20 minutes, this is our oxtail look. Yeah, nice enough. Actually 80 to 90% cooked. Alright, so over here we have some of our fresh herbs, including some of our fresh seasoning here too. Alright, so we have some carrot, we have some Irish potato, we have the butter bean over there, we have some fresh scallion, aka green onion, fresh thyme, half of a medium sized white onion, and bell pepper, the red and the green. Alright, so we're gonna go in with our Irish onion and our carrot first. Alright, so let's go in with our Irish and our carrot. Alright, all our Irish and carrot are in. Leave that to cook for another 2 to 3 minutes, and then we add in our rest of seasoning. Look how beautiful it is. Now we're gonna go in with our rest of seasoning. One season alone. Alright. All of our seasoning. We add it. And also we're going with our butter bean. Nice butter bean. Alright. So we're going to allow that to cook down for another 5 minutes. Come to a boil. Alright, you can see our oxtail is in the ready moment. Look at how beautiful it is. Our curry oxtail is ready. Yeah man, I'm gonna share this nice up with some nice ground cabbage. Alright, look how beautiful it is. Got the sauce. Nice beautiful curry oxtail. There you have it, your curry oxtail. Make easy on the Fitzy cooking show. Look at how beautiful it is. Look at how nice it is. Yeah. Hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzy on YouTube and also Chef Fitzy on Instagram and also on Facebook. Yep. Curry oxtail. I'm out.